Thursday's precise and important news. New appointments were made based on the order of His Excellency. Honorable Zabiullah Mujahid, spokesman of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, says that based on the order of His Excellency Amir al-Mu'mineen, Mullah Muhammad Ali Hanafi, known as Mullah Shirin, the former Deputy of Strategic Intelligence of the Ministry of Defense, appointed as the acting governor of Kandahar province. Most of the participants of the Doha meeting wanted to remove the restrictions on the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. China's representative in Afghanistan says that most of the participants of the Doha meeting wanted to remove the sanction on the Islamic Emirate and free the frozen assets of Afghans. Ministry of Information and Culture marks Press Freedom Day, says it supports the media. Ministry of Information and Culture of Afghanistan celebrated May 3rd, World Press Freedom Day or World Press Day, in the presence of domestic and foreign media officials and journalists, and said it supports the media fully. Ministry of Communication and Information Technology sets prices for internet packages calls. The Ministry of Communication and Information Technology set fixed prices for internet packages and telephone calls for telecommunication networks. According to the information provided by the ministry, a telephone call costs 1.85 Afghani per minute for subscribers of a single network and 2.2 Afghani for customers of other telecommunication networks, and the cost of 1 GB of internet has been set at 110 Afghani. ANSA shuts down over 400 fuel stations and depots across the country. The Afghanistan National Standards Authority says that a strict monitoring process of the quality of fuel is underway at gas stations and storage facilities across the country.